Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Titchfield High from Portland up against Ardenne High from St. Andrew. This is School's Challenge Quiz. Titchfield High is represented this evening by Team Captain Alex Anderson, Quayne Smith, Orlando Lee, and Romaine Smith, while Ardenne High is represented by Roger Peaches, Yashika Jackson, Marco Dean Stewart, and Team Captain Jada Wadsworth. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to continuing round 2 action here of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Titchfield High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Titchfield High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Please may I have that time on the clock? With that, we begin. Titchfield with literature. Who's the author of the novel The Time Machine?
Yes, she was.
That's right, Ardenne High. Literature. Who is the author of the novel Burmese Days?
Margaret Mitchell.
Margaret Mitchell.
No, it's George Orwell. International Affairs for Titchfield. Look at the monitor, gentlemen, and identify this person, please.
Volodymyr Zelensky.
Nice. Volodymyr Zelensky.
Ukraine President, correct. International Affairs for Ardenne. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Alexander Lukashenko.
President of Belarus, correct. History for Titchfield. In what year did the People's National Party in Jamaica win elections for the House of Representatives and Norman Washington Manley appointed Premier?
1955.
Nice. 1955.
Close, 59. History, Ardenne. In what year did the Jamaica Labour Party win the House of Representatives and the first general elections under universal adult suffrage?
After 1944.
1944. 1944.
That's right. Physics for Titchfield. What name is given to the type of electromagnetic radiation emitted as a result of radioactive decay?
Radioactive decay? So there's no emission. Alpha. Alpha radiation.
Alpha radiation.
Note gamma radiation. Physics Ardenne. What is the name given to a single packet of electromagnetic radiation?
Single packet.
Right, infrared.
Photon.
Corpuscle.
Corpuscle.
No, it's a photon. Music for Titchfield. Listen to the following clip and identify this group.
Halloween.
No, it's a big tune. Let's groove. Earth, Wind, and Fire. Music Ardenne. Listen to the following clip. Identify. That's right, every breath you take. Spanish for Titchfield. What is comprar un billete translated to English?
To buy a ticket.
To buy a ticket.
That's right, Spanish Ardenne. What is hacer una reservación translated to English?
To make a reservation.
To make a reservation.
That's right, Theatre and Cinema Visual 1 for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Mine, Florence Pugh.
Florence Pugh.
Good. Theatre and Cinema Ardenne. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Alexander Murray.
Alexander Murray.
No, it's Ben Barnes. Biology at Titchfield. In which phase of mitosis are the sister chromatids separated and pulled towards opposite sides of the cell?
Opposite. Anaphase.
Anaphase.
Correct. Biology Ardenne. What is the name of that phase of a cell cycle in which a cell duplicates its DNA in preparation for mitosis?
Intercanese.
Intercanese.
Interphase. Sport. Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Madison Keys.
Madison Keys.
That's right, Ardenne. Sport, look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Thomas Sin.
Thomasin.
No, Taylor Fritz, both tennis stars. English language, Titchfield. Oh, and we won't have time. That bell signifies the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Titchfield High taking the early lead on 6 points, Ardenne High on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.